What if I told you, this simple staircase problem, is secretly the Fibonacci sequence in disguise? Most people solve this wrong. You are climbing a staircase. It takes n steps to reach the top. Each time, you can take 1 or 2 steps. Your task? Find how many distinct ways you can reach the top. Let's break it down. If n equals 2, you can take 2 single steps. Or 1 double step. That's 2 ways. Now, if n equals 3, you have 1, 1, 1. 1, 2. Or 2, 1. That makes 3 ways total. Looks simple, but what happens when n equals 10, 20, or 45? You might think let's try all combinations using recursion. But this grows exponentially. That means, your code becomes painfully slow. Let's think smarter. To reach step n, you must come from step n-1, taking 1 step. Or from step n-2, taking 2 steps. So total ways equals ways to reach n1 plus ways to reach n2. Wait a second, this looks familiar. Yes. This is exactly the Fibonacci sequence. Each step depends on the previous 2. So we can build it iteratively, from the bottom up. For step 1, there is 1 way. For step 2, there are 2 ways. For step 3, we add the previous 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Step 4 is 2 plus 3, which is 5. And step 5 is 3 plus 5, which is 8. This is the most efficient way to solve it. Here is the clean, optimized code. We handle the base cases first. Then we initialize our 2 previous values. We iterate from 3 to n, calculating the current step. We only store 2 values. So space is optimized to O of 1. Let's compare the 2 approaches. The brute force recursion is exponential. O of 2 to the n. But our dynamic programming solution is linear. O of n. From exponential, to linear. That's the power of recognizing patterns. This is not just a problem. It's your introduction to dynamic programming. Once you understand this, you can solve harder problems like house robber, coin change, and dynamic programming on grids. The pattern is everywhere. If you understood this, you just unlocked a core pattern in coding interviews. Like, subscribe, and I'll break down more problems like this with cinematic clarity.